Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kidzone and I review health and wellness products to help you make informed choices. Today, I've got something exciting for you: NeuroBrocc Sulforaphane supplement gummies. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are these gummies all about? NeuroBrocc gummies are packed with sulforaphane, a powerful antioxidant derived from broccoli sprouts. Sulforaphane has been shown to support brain health, detoxification, and overall cellular health. But the big question is, do they live up to the hype? First things first, let's talk about the taste and texture. These gummies are actually pretty tasty. They have a pleasant fruity flavor and a soft, chewy texture. It's like having a little treat while getting your daily dose of sulforaphane. I've been taking these gummies for a few weeks now, and I have to say, I've noticed a difference. I feel more focused and alert throughout the day, and I've even noticed an improvement in my overall mood. Plus, it's a lot easier to take these delicious gummies than to try and eat a ton of broccoli sprouts. I usually take 2 gummies in the morning with my breakfast. It's a simple addition to my routine, and I love that I'm supporting my brain and body in such an easy way. One thing I really appreciate about NeuroBrocc is that they use high-quality, natural ingredients. These gummies are non-GMO, gluten-free, and free from artificial colors and flavors. So, you're getting a clean supplement that you can feel good about. Another thing to note is that each serving of NeuroBrocc gummies provides a potent dose of sulforaphane. So, you're getting a powerful antioxidant boost with every bite. Now, let's talk about where you can get your hands on these gummies. You can find NeuroBrocc Sulforaphane supplement gummies on their official website and on Amazon. They're reasonably priced, and you can often find discounts and promotions online. Overall, I highly recommend giving NeuroBrocc Sulforaphane supplement gummies a try. They are a convenient and tasty way to support your brain health and overall well-being. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.